So you've decided to build a PC, but there are so many processors to choose from. How do you pick the right one for your needs? Cost, core count, specifications? There's a lot to consider. So let's talk about what you should look for when choosing your next CPU. Now before we begin, let's first answer the question, what is a processor? Also known as a CPU or central processing unit, it's usually a small chip that fits in the palm of your hand. Don't let the size fool you. This chip is paramount to the performance of your PC. Think of it as the brain of your computer, interpreting data and sending commands to the rest of the system. For example, when you click on the icon on your desktop to launch your internet browser or load up a video game to play, your computer is processing and executing instructions. Processors are made up of building blocks called cores. Each core is designed to process and execute instructions. The more cores a processor has, the more ability it has to juggle a greater number of related tasks or threads of instructions. On modern processors, each core can run multiple threads at the same time. The more threads your processor can work on, the more tasks it can accomplish. It's amazing to consider that modern CPUs can process over 100 billion instructions per second. Now that we understand how a processor works, let's talk about what you should look for when choosing the right one. There are many processor options to choose from, varying in core count and thread count to handle different workloads. When picking a processor, you'll want to start by identifying two key things: your budget and your computing needs. Figuring out your budget is fairly straightforward, but knowing what you need can be a bit more complex than that. What I recommend is to think about the different ways you'll want to use your PC. Are you a casual gamer who plays occasionally, maybe Minecraft or Roblox? Are you a hardcore gamer who plays the latest AAA games that'll push your system's limit? Will you be editing videos and photos, just need to browse the web? Knowing how to use your computer will tell you a lot about what to look for in your processor. Are you a first-time PC builder or wanting to build a system with your kid? You're probably looking for a budget-friendly option for less taxing applications such as casual gaming, video conferencing, browsing the web, and sending emails. In other words, you need a powerful processor, but not necessarily a CPU that handles things like streaming or video editing. Look for a 6-core processor, which should give you some affordable options. If you're looking to future-proof your system so it can seamlessly work for multiple years to come without the technology becoming outdated, there are plenty of great 6-core and even 8-core options. If you're putting more demands on your system, things like competitive esports, live streaming, photo and video editing, and need to handle many more intense tasks and programs, look for a processor with a higher core count and more performance. If you mostly game and only occasionally do content creation, an 8-core processor that can run 16 threads is cost-effective and delivers the power needed to get the most out of your computer. If content creation or streaming is your focus, a 12-core processor will give you extra horsepower to render your latest project. Power users, you know who you are, and you know you need a computer that can handle all those intensive workloads you juggle. Demanding applications require a lot from your processor, so you're going to need a very high core count. A high-end 16-core CPU with 32 threads will give you the sheer power you need to get the work done. So many processor options means there's bound to be one out there that fits your needs. I hope this has helped you with your research and that you feel ready to pick the right one for you.